Hey, everyone! Welcome to TechNova 12, the channel where we explore how technology is shaping our world and our future. If you're interested in artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, cybersecurity, and future tech, then you're in the right place. Pause plus smile. My goal is simple: to make complex technology easy to understand and exciting to learn. Technology is evolving faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence is learning to think. Data science is revealing hidden patterns, and cybersecurity is protecting our digital lives. But the question is, do we really understand how all of this works? That's what TechNova 12 is all about. On this channel, you'll learn how AI and machine learning are transforming industries like healthcare, transport, and entertainment, how data science helps companies make better decisions, and how cybersecurity is becoming the shield that protects our online world. Show examples: Tesla cars, Netflix recommendation screen, data visualization. We'll dive into real-world examples, tutorials, and tech breakdowns that make learning fun and practical. Every day I'll upload new videos breaking down the latest innovations and tools you can actually use to learn and grow in tech. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and join our growing TechNova community, because the future isn't waiting, it's already here, and it starts with you. Outro music plays. TechNova 12, discover the future of technology.